How to combine emojis on Google Keyboard iPhone. Hey everyone, it's me Jessica from Create, Login and Delete. So let's get started with these steps. First of all, open the Google Chrome on your mobile device and make sure you are logged into your Google account. Now, all you have to do is tap on the search address bar and type down emoji cooking and search for it. Now, once done so, tap on the enter. Then you'll get to see start cooking option available there. Simply tap on it, and once you tap on it, you'll be navigated to the page where you can combine the emojis. Now all you have to do is choose the first emoji, and from the emoji panel, and you can also select the second emoji and combine it into the single form. Once you are satisfied with the result or you are satisfied with the emoji, then you can simply tap on the copy option available there and paste it to any text, conversation or note on your phone. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you so much for watching.